Well, this is a very exciting day. Look what I just picked up today. The DeWalt FlexVolt brushless 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. So I want to unbox it today for you. This is it. This is the latest thing. This is the most exciting thing that you can possibly get your hands on. Alright, we got... Ooh, what is this? You have multiple chargers. No way. Or is this... Or maybe this is the adapter. Let's find out. Yeah, this looks like a charger to me, no? No, maybe not. I think that's the adapter for the batteries. This I'm gonna put to use. Because I already have, yeah, you can charge 2 batteries at a time. That's awesome. I'm gonna plug these babies in right here. These things alone are worth $100 each. I'm pretty sure. FlexVolt 60-volt battery shipping cap. Oh, I see. So the connections, the leads don't get messed up. There's another one. Some foam. Look at this beast. This is a gigantic machine. Okay, you got some instructions. Nobody needs those. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. I just want to use this. Oh, this is my dust collection. Okay, I'll just set that aside. Got a wrench there. Got the clamp. Okay, let's see if I can pull this baby out. Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. This is hot. I'm aroused right now. Oh man. Look at this fucking piece of machinery. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's hot. That is hot. So I'd like to say I bought this, but the truth is this is a graduation present. Probably an entirely unbeatable graduation gift. Like, there's nothing better you can get than this machine right here. And I think oh yeah, that's smooth. I was thinking of getting the Bosch Glide, but then I saw stuff about it getting all jammed up or something like that, so I decided not to. Brushless. This thing is brushless, by the way. Man, that looks great. That just looks so great. You got a 60-tooth carbide blade. Should be good. It's got that, what do they call it? Instead of a laser, it's got a flashlight, so it doesn't matter what blade you put on it. You've always got the same you don't have to line up any lasers. So in case you're wondering, it goes to 60 on that side and 50 on this side for cuts. It's just like the other miter saws that DeWalt makes. It's got the same adjustment back here. Go over, go to 45 there. Oop, nice. Slide. Lock the slide back here. Let's bring it back up. And watch out, when you bring it back up, you actually go to 0 and not past 0. But that's why there's like these things. You can adjust that if you need to go past 0, I guess. Usually the dust collection sucks. I saw some people, they're 3D printing a different one of these. Ooh, some oil on the blade. It's fresh. This is all plastic. This is whatever sort of composite. This is all composite. The back here. I'm not going to run it right now because it's late at night. Got a little bit of charge in my 60 volt batteries. And these batteries will work with any DeWalt tools. I'll do a video after. They switch to 20 volts. So the way they work is, you open one up. So what these do when those there push in on the battery is, you know what, whatever, I'm just going to run it anyways. Close enough. What I'm trying to get at is that they switch the battery from 3 20 volt batteries wired in parallel to 3 20 volt batteries wired in series, which suddenly gives you 60 volts at 6 amp hours. So it's pretty simple, and it's clever because that way they can keep it. I can use this in any of my other 20 volt max DeWalt tools, and they'll run for, you know, the whole week presumably. Actually no, because it's still only 6 amp hours. This is a safety catch here. Oh, and I can hit that button. My light comes on. So I can't see it, but that's it. That you can see the saw curve. Yeah. It's got the slow start too. That's really hot. So I'll do some more videos later using it and stuff. There's gonna be lots of videos. This thing is freaking awesome. I just love looking at it. I think I might put it in my bedroom. And then, if you want to convert it to wall electricity, all you do is you plug this guy into there, just like that. And now you got regular powered miter saw. And these just slide into the charger up.